What is up, everyone? How you guys doing? Happy Wednesday. Today is FOMC meeting minutes, so just trade carefully, tread in the water, be safe out here. Our boy D Trump did speak yesterday, so that did happen. And I don't know what to tell you guys in terms of an intro, but excited to trade with y'all. And let's see where this price action goes.
Oh, it's going to go somewhere because that opening candle just went all the way back down. That was a big candle, yo. 207 to 350.
Massive area of confluence for me right now is that 17.2 to 17.225.
I don't even have my ring light on. Josh.
Love that. And then if we can maintain structure above 300, then obviously that's what I'm looking forward
to. We are doing live every day on here and with a slight latency, and then he's also live in StockTradesss.
You know, it's probably smart. What's that, Papa?
I don't know. One of those commands works for something. I get tagged.
There we go. We are also 17 followers away from 4K. If we can get that today, then we will be giving away a TPT account. Today's stream is sponsored by TPT, baby.
Yeah, finally.
I'm just joking. It's not, but like Ace is going to be paying directly for it. But like,
you heard it here
only
first.
Counts though. It only counts if you are on stream. So if you guys are in VC in StockTradesss, make sure to pull up the stream and just put it on mute. That way you guys get to hear me.
You do realize you're showing an ad right now on stream though, right? So nobody can hear you. That's not subscribed.
Oh, that's very awkward.
So we're going to retry that in 32 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was down bad. And then I took that opening candle. And we're back up. We're green. Yeah, I'm 640 green on this 25K. I think I'm probably going to leave it there. Got 5 days to pass it, but I am about to open
Absolutely, I'll be
another account right now so I can prospect some trades up until 11 o'clock. Actually, speaking of, I got some interesting. If you get, oh no, I shouldn't probably talk about that. Why do I keep getting sent these? It's so weird. I don't know what I should open. I kind of want to.
Chat is active. Let is
Chat's active.
What is up, Ultra Prime? How you been? So if I subscribe, I could see you guys every day here. You could see us every single day here. I mean, that is very much correct.
Yeah, we will be here every day.
Whether you sub or not, but it is free to sub with your Amazon Prime. To everyone who is in VC, once again, if you guys join the stream and just put it on mute, we will be choosing one random viewer today for a giveaway. TPT, baby. Sponsored.
Bro, it's a TPT account. I don't know why you guys wouldn't be in here.
Exactly. Daily payouts? Are you kidding me? 30% off if you guys use code ACE. Daily payouts. Need I say more? No consistency. You can have an absolute banger day, and then what, Vinny? Pull out that same day.
That is true. It is daily payouts. So after you pass your buffer.
Consistency and daily payouts. Ridiculous. And if you want to pull out your buffer, guess what? You can still do that, but they will close your account and they will take 50%. But I mean, I digress. Daily payouts after that buffer.
Still daily payouts.
Look at these followers coming in. Absolute W. We're almost there.
I'm going to stand up for 1 second. I gotta close the bathroom.
He's learning. That was my area right there at 350. Little late to the party, but that was a nice test. And we're gonna
Even the
take
guys in the
to take a little
mentorship
position
Discord.
here.
Yeah, actually.
Taking a little
Thanks.
position here, going long.
Ace is long. What's your average?
I literally got in when I said I'm getting in. So 391. I'm barely up. There we go. Nice pop, guys. Let's see if we can get that continuation. Bang! Look at that. Come on. 40 points right out the rip. Come on.
I don't know about
Move
you.
that
but
SL into profit. You guys do your thing.
To me, this still looks pretty strong, Ace.
Oh, yeah. Looks
This
real
looks
good.
pretty strong. Except
I'm
that
actually going to let it
wick.
breathe a little. So, I mean, to anyone who wants to manage their account, you guys can definitely let that breathe and just chill out. Personally, I made my goals for today. I'm
So did
big chilling. I'm literally, you want to know something really funny, Vin?
What's funny?
Guess how many cons I'm trading with today?
5 micros or 1 mini?
1 micro.
1 micro trades. So
And guess how much
why
I'm
are you
up,
doing that,
Vin?
Ace? Why are you doing that, Ace? How much are you
Because
up
it's
right
FOMC. Not only
Okay.
that, I've already hit my target goal and I'm already up 170 on a singular. One singular micro.
now? Okay. So tell the people how easy it is to get funded off a micro, and who is somebody else that you know that got funded
Absolute
off 1 micro.
Banger. Vinny completed a full top step eval, guys, off of just a singular micro. Absolute insane. He grinded that thing.
That is true. I did do that. I did.
Yo, this is actually really printing. Are you guys not
yeah.
witnessing this?
Like, even
Guys,
if you were on
right
stream,
off the rip, 136, guys. Guys, we are up 700, 800, all on a singular freaking micro. Absolute beauty right out the rip, guys. Right out the rip, 160 points. Come on, brother. He really be doing this in the AM. I'm moving that SL all the way up. I'm putting it right underneath 17.5 in case it wants to retest. But guess what? I'm letting it breathe. I'm just letting this play out. If we continue to rip for the rest of the day, then so be it at this point. Just no bangers have been called out. Levels have been shown.
that was a banger.
That was such a banger.
I rejected right off my distribution level. We're gonna see what it does now. See what else is up there.
And no one can say that they couldn't get in because literally I was barely up when Vin asked for my position. And I said it too. I said, hey, I'm barely up. This is literally where I entered. And that was that. And there we go. Finally got taken out of that position. Absolute beauty. Absolute
Again,
beauty.
If you guys are
That
in
is-
VC and want to win a Take Profit Trader account, join the stream.
Join the stream. You can keep it on mute. Just keep it on in the background and just watch. You can just watch our pretty faces.
Stream is in live options A. You can click that link literally. Literally.
All mastermind students right now is like, hey, I see the midpoint on your chart. We need the update.
Wow, look at that rejection right off that distribution level. Holy. That's beauty. That's a beauty, Ace.
We can now delete these. Absolutely so sexy, bro. So sexy. And we're about to get our 15-minute print here. And we can now adjust these charts to reflect just such once that 15 actually comes in. There you go. Charts readjusted. 15 minutes is now plotted, and we are currently at our midline. Beautiful open, guys. Absolute beautiful open.
This is a
What a
really good
catch.
open. I just caught myself another TSX account.
For some reason, charts were not loading on TSX. It was just like frozen. Oh, now it's working. Okay, good. Did they switch you over on your accounts to just regular TSX? I'll tell you. Okay. Take you by that. I don't know. We're plotted very, very nice here, guys. Like insanely nice. Just off of where that candle went to go retest off of structure. If we can get that break back above this midline, honestly, another potential entry right there. Wait for the closes, and you are absolutely set. Or if it goes for the full traded level, which is currently sitting at 17,331, you can hit that enter, and guess what? Better R to R, because you're sitting right at where that level is.
Ooh, look at that.
Yep. Ooh. Traded. Let's see.
I like it. I like it. I like it for our position.
So my full squeeze would be from right here above the opening print. And that opening print is basically so close to the midline. So I want now, after this has now just been retested, I want a reclaim of 364 before an entry. And that's even below the midline. Look at him going against the orb.
Who?
Me.
Bro, the orb is sexy though.
The orb is sexy, but Ace don't care sometimes. He sees structure, and you know what?
See structure, take structure, stupid. Baby.
Exactly.
See structure, take structure.
Just keep it simple, stupid. You got anything going on in your chart, Vin? You got
anything
going on, Vin?
Not really too much. I'm just over here looking at stuff, plotting.
Check it out.
You gonna pop me up? You put me on this shit? Alright.
What do you see right now?
I want a bearish position, but this market's pretty indecisive, dude, and it's starting to flick every direction right now. It's kind of scaring me. Look at that. Ace, is that not your reclaim right there?
That is 1,000% my reclaim right there. And a retest of it. Boy, you know what I'm about to do? Papa's about to tap in. Let this play breathe once again, because we are only trading with a singular. An absolute singular.
Look at that wick down.
Yep. Just fine with me. Because guess what that just tapped, baby?
I have no idea. Your fit bubble?
CE.
Oh.
And we're green. Off to the races. Off to the races. And there you go, guys. Come on. Couldn't keep it simpler. 50, 45 points. About to see 50. 50 right there. And drag that SL up. Come on, brother. Come on.
That's beautiful.
Are you kidding me? One micro, guys, up $100 per account on a singular micro. Come on. You think we cap out here? Here, I'll put it on screen for y'all. Up $400. Come on. Absolute, so sexy. It even gave me a horrible fill. And it came back down for y'all. And I was even happy with that. 70 points once again. Singular micro. Waited for the retest. Told you guys the levels. You guys can't say I'm just a quick scalper, okay? It literally came back down for y'all.
It did come back down. Actually, almost twice, but we'll call it once.
Re-entered. Yeah, Rams just said he got tapped, re-entered. Absolute beauty of a play.
70 points.
Hey, let's go. Singular micro too? Two. I like it.
Two micro. How much money? Two micro. How much money? Say it again.
200 on that.
200. Holy brother.
And I'm still in.
I just did. I just did 1,000 on 2 minis on this TSX combine on that.
That's one way to do it, baby.
Yeah, no, it's cool. Don't do that. Don't do that. We're just in a combine right now. We're in a little bit of a bind.
There we go. 85 points. Do we see another 100? Do we see another 100, guys? There's $500 already, and still Ripskis. Come on.
We're running all the way to back to highs.
100 points, guys. 100 points once again. Called out live. One singular micro. You do not need to be in a mini in this market, where the ATR on a 1 minute is 300 points.
But if you do want to be, welcome to the game, baby.
For real. Welcome to the game.
Micros are king.
Micro.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, buddy.
In
this micros are king. It's his first day trading micros. He's been on minis for the past 6 months. He's like micros, yeah, dude.
Yo, can we please just acknowledge this call out, please?
100.
Whew, it's way more than that now.
Yeah, it's
135. And guess what, guys?
Too.
Per account.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We are just ripping $250 per account on a singular micro. You do not need to be in a mini and then blowing your account, hitting the SLs. Let your chart breathe a little. Play to your chart. And honestly, Vin,
what?
I did not sleep last night at all. And you
Nice.
already know I didn't sleep the previous night.
Nice.
My eyes, I'm literally going to go close up to the camera. My eyes are black. And we are just dialed in. We are so dialed.
Hey, sometimes that's all it takes is a little bit of hope, man. A little bit of hope, and a lot can happen, especially with one micro.
Yep.
Good risk management, good positions, good call-outs, long distance call-outs. Even with the latency on stream, you could have still made probably,
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, $600. I mean, it's pretty simple. What do you think we're doing here, Ace? What do they think we're doing here? Do they even know?
We came to just dilly daddle? Is that what it's called?
You think it's dilly daddle?
Do you think we're dilly daddling? Freaking.
You think we're
just
dilly
moving our
daddling?
thumbs?
You think we're
Moving our
dilly daddling?
thumbs?
No, we're here. We're
I'm on no
serious.
sleep, guys. I'm goof. I'm so goof right now. And there we go. Come on.
Great. What a great play.
Oh, so sexy. So sexy. You guys know who it is. Best in the game. It's your Ace of Trades. And that tapped PT and just got smacked right after.
Smacked right down to the abysmal nothing land. Land of abysmal nothing. That's what I like to call that area. I'm on the daily on NQ for some reason. It's tough. How much do you think these prop firms are paying out daily to people? Just like in this market, because like one mini you can make like $12,000 off.
A lot. A lot, especially if you get those bigger players too, who catch the right direction on that mini. Like, look at my Monday session, right, where we squeezed out within seconds $50,000.
Easy. Why does it keep taking me to the daily time frame? Like, I'm gonna tweak out here in a second.
You know what?
What? What do I know? What do I know?
It's okay. It's okay. That didn't really make sense by me.
What didn't make sense?
My R to R perspective.
What was it?
Well, I should have taken almost everything at that 7.5. At 17.5. Which, I mean, it's still there, but you know, I was watching someone and it kind of just reminded me of what I do with my options. And it's an absolute banger, to be honest, which is just making sure to calculate your R to R from a dynamic standpoint.
Yeah, I mean,
right?
I like good risk to reward ratios. Who doesn't?
There
right?
we go.
Look at that play.
Right.
Hey Rams, do you have a problem with TSX not lining up with what you're?
And I just clean took.
Were a little delayed.
Clean took right there, guys. Absolute banger. 140 points.
A little
and we
delayed.
could probably still see it pop too.
Like, my charts froze early. And right now it's working fine. I think you need to give it time.
Dun, 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 dun. Once again, guys, if you guys want daily payouts, make sure to sign up with TPT using code ACE, and you guys can get 30% off. You guys can get 30% off, receive daily payouts, all using code ACE on Take Profit Trader, guys. Would you take a long again with a close over this 17.5? So the reason why it gets a little tricky from that view. So this is why I was saying from a dynamic R to R, right? So all that essentially is for a lot of the newer traders is, say if we are currently running a 3-to-1, right? Meaning we are willing to risk 1 to earn 3. And we get to 2R, right? Now, essentially, I'm risking 2 to make 1 extra R. Does that make sense, Vin?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe try to simplify a little bit more than that.
So, say if I'm looking for a 300% and I'm currently at 200%, but my SL is all the way at break even, right? If I didn't trim any, then essentially now I'm risking all the unrealized gains. So you're actually risking a 1 to 2 at that point. So now you have a negative R. What you would essentially do is, number one, either trim at that given point or you clean cut, right? And that's exactly what I did. Clean cut. And then, yeah, so the reason why I said it's a little iffy at that 17.5, obviously you guys can see where we did what we did at that 15-minute print, right? Where we tested 550. So that means off a break of 17.5, we only have 50 points until our ORH, right? And if we're taking that pre-market and Let me go back into my pre-market. We are currently above our pre-market, so absolutely sexy as long as you can hold above our 425. And honestly, even if we can retrade 425, it doesn't look bad.
By the
But
way,
then you
if you're a
have
Twitch Prime sub, do it. No,
Yep.
I'm just like.
So this is my point right here. So I'm going to delete some of those. Okay. So we're talking structure, right? Obviously what we want are change of characters, right? So I want to make sure that the chart flips and we can stay within trend. Obviously we just broke that pre-market high. And what we're going into is yesterday's midday base, which is this candle right here. We're currently testing the bottom of it. And as soon as we get in, we wick down almost immediately. So all of this right here becomes really tricky to trade. So that's why I kept saying, I'm like, it gets really rough above 17.5 to try to catch really good levels. Are there trades inside there? 1,000%, right? And there is our ORH being tested.
Being tested, bro. I'm up 345. I don't know what test you talking about. I'm in that
Beauty.
bit. I'm getting
I
hoed
just
though.
said testing
actually, right now.
ORH, baby.
I'm getting hoed right now. It's okay. Look at the suck down. Of course,
Yep.
it sucks down for me. It's okay. I have massive amount of drawdown, so I might chill in this until I see that it's not going to break out.
I like that.
Because everything's telling me right now it's going to just run all the way up till FOMC, and we're just going to have little tiny back and forths in between. So I would really like a nice saucy play here. The guy that I do a lot of
W Redhead for subbing with Prime. We
Let's
love
go.
you.
Thank you,
Let's
bro.
go. Absolute W. Guys, make sure you guys are following the stream as well, where we will be doing giveaways really soon if we can grow this just a little bit more.
Yeah, we just gotta show the
As
boss
of right
that
now,
it's
Daddy
reasonable.
Ace
You know,
is just paying out of pocket for giveaways. So
yeah, we just gotta show the boss it's reasonable, and it makes sense for us to do that. You know.
Yep. And we can do literally daily giveaways.
If you guys want.
Yeah, if you guys want. If you guys don't want free accounts, then cool. They just don't watch, right? And I mean, like, if you guys are in stock ads, all it takes is just opening up the stream, putting it on mute, and staying in here.
Ace, one of the guys I learned from, just texted me and he said the volatility is so deep that the 1 minute time frame is too high.
Well, you know
And
what?
he also said
I
all my
actually-
levels are mitigated.
So I've been watching a lot. Last night, I literally was just re-updating myself on everything that I know, all my levels, my whole system. Same exact thing, right? The 1 minute is really, really, really insane. Like, you could take a position, you can put an SL. At the end of the day, even if you have a stop and it's a market, you could be getting filled for a negative 100 point candle.
It's the unfortunate truth, man, is that the volatility is so high right now that it's hard to do much of anything for anybody. So I mean, you just got to try to play with the game and stay involved and try to learn and get better and do better stuff. And I just up another 300.
Like pop for you, man.
I'm just up another 300, so I just took there. That's 600
Nice.
again. We are so volatile that we are not getting anything
baby?
confirmed. Yep.
We have been killing it. Absolutely killing it today. I mean, we've been killing it all week. Good grief. Ramsey.
The thing I took,
I was
my
the
God.
whole time I was on Twitch manager. So
150 points on paper money. Hey, honestly, that's fire because
Oh, during that.
yeah, during that
it's
whole
just
trade.
good practice right now.
But I kept
Just
putting
good
it on
practice.
on the screen, so yours is actually better than mine is at that point. Current update. How much are we up for today? I am up 1,400, only using a singular, guys, a singular micro. We
Just
are
made a
up
Twitch to follow
1,400
you?
per account, guys. Per account. Come on.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
Like,
using
who
this
wouldn't
symbol.
want to be up 4,200 using a singular micro, barely risking anything, and just having that R multiple work for you?
This is almost where you have to like break your rules, and if you're gonna trade this market, and just be a little more loose if you're gonna do anything. Like, you're not gonna be able to have that 20, 30 point stop right now and it be a reasonable level. That's not gonna happen.
Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Last night I was trading Asia, and with a singular micro, I was able to let that play breathe, whether if it was 60 or 70 points. But with my R multiple, I was able to capture 400 points, 500 points.
I just tapped into a short for another 300. But yeah, and also I'm not gonna say that because they're so quick. Like, what am I gonna say? I'm in a short. I'm out of the short. $300. Like, what?
Yep.
There's no point.
Guys, if I get Twitch Prime, I don't gonna have a delay on stream. No, you will still have a delay on stream. At the end of the day, we're not running a large delay, but what that does by having or connecting your Prime and subbing is you will not get ads.
Look at that short, baby.
Sexy
Look at that short.
all the way back to VWAP as well.
Look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beauty.
That is our
That's a
weekly anchored
beauty.
VWAP right here, guys.
That's a beauty. Brought it all the way back. Green
And we are
339.
sliding under it right. Meow.
Right meow. Absolutely beautiful positions. Easy trades. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh.
Sexy.
We'll post all the P&Ls up right now. Easy monies today. Good heavens. Man, that's short printed. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see, is that the right one? Yeah, we're just going to put them on the top just to show where that P&L came from. It's on the chart. Ramsey, like that? I know you see it.
Wait,
Yeah, you like that?
He's pulling it up. He's pulling it up.
You like that?
Dang. You on
Hey,
stream,
buddy.
baby. Make it bigger. Make it bigger, he said.
Make it bigger. All right, all right, all right. We'll make it bigger. Check that in.
No, hey, that's a W.
Wow.
Make it that big. Let's do 1,200 on the day. Light work.
My levels, my dude.
Oh, I'll show it to you here too. You can see it in 3 different places. How about that? Boom.
Midline
boom, boom.
right here, guys.
We ain't capping out here. Gives us a delayed stream in Twitch compared to VC. Yeah, that is true. Yeah. No, you will still have a delay on the stream. The only way to not have a delay is that right there. If you join Ace and Stock Dads. What does a 6-month sub get me? Ace, what does a 6-month sub get this man?
Got them 6 months of a
Six months of subscription? Nah, I'm just playing. We'll really appreciate that. If you want to support us further, join Ace and Stock Dads. Look at that short. How many points was that? 100 points, dude. 3.
Man, I
100
love
point
being
you.
able to toggle on and off extended. If you guys look on my chart right now, we literally tapped that weekly anchored VWAP and then straight rejected. What is that also in terms of a confluence? That's our previous day POC. What is that as well? That's almost CE, and it's our 15-minute base from yesterday's session. So levels on levels, guys. Come on. All my students, you guys should know exactly why I took those trades, whether or not that was off of or breakouts or not, because technically that was all within range of 15 minutes and we're still trading. All right. We can't call this chop, especially if it's 100 points up, 100 points down. So that level right there, that 17,387, guys, is our previous week low. And then it also aligns with our midline. So when we're talking about confluence and our levels, that's what we're looking for. At that given point, I'm looking for a reclaim of 443 for potential long
hit us
entry.
with one more Twitch Prime sub, and we hit our goal for the week, which was 10 Twitch Prime subs. That'd be fantastic.
W. So we still got 13 points until I could find a potential entry. And then plus, I just wanted above previous wick. So that gives us, not previous wick, previous close, 460. You're just trading safe, playing to the levels.
What, did I just disconnect and reconnect? Am I here?
There we go. And
What are you in longs here?
that I am. It is early. Just got in.
Is a little early. I might wait
Yep.
1 second.
And that wick right there is absolute ugly.
Yeah, it's nasty.
But
I still
still
think
really
it's
like it.
plenty,
for right
plenty
now.
good. I might size down a little bit and take this one. 'Cause I'm already
Man,
up a
I've been
bunch.
sized down.
Yeah. Dude, it's just so, like, I'm just looking at that candle right there. That's another 50-point candle, dude.
It is a
Like,
50-point candle. And I was playing, like, that's why playing on a micro is so beautiful.
Oh, no.
Nice. Nice. Give me a second.
There you go. There you go. Oh, you're getting some movement there.
Yep.
I like it. I like it a
Doing
lot.
something.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa,
It's
whoa.
not
whoa,
green enough
whoa,
for me to
whoa,
take.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got something, and then it just said, "No, I don't think
Yep,
so."
Not green enough for me to want to take there. Just letting it breathe a bit.
That wanted all the smoke right there, brother.
Yep.
That's crazy.
She's coming down. And
Yeah.
tapped.
Yeah, she's coming down.
Yep.
She wants a piece of this.
That's that same level, man.
That is that exact same level, isn't it?
Yeah. Exact same level.
This might be the breakthrough of that level, though. I'm going to be so honest. Yeah, that's what I was looking at right there.
And I'm tapping back in with a crazy tight SL this time because I don't need to be loose. And there's some green onto the table.
Yeah.
I'm only risking 20 points now. Less.
20 points
less
on
than
the
20
micro?
points.
On the micro?
14. Yeah. I could have even moved to a mini at that point if I'm only risking 14.
Yeah, you could have.
Because look, I entered right at the bottom of that wick, guys, and just trading to previous wick.
Look at how choppy the market is, though, at the same
Oh,
time.
yeah.
I mean, look at how gross this is.
So 80.
This is so choppy and so rough.
And there it is. Yep.
Yeah,
Tapped.
there's nothing there.
Nothing.
There's just nothing there. It's so unfortunate. Damn. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's a slide.
Whoa,
Okay, let me check
whoa.
Amar's message.
A slide is an understatement, dude. Hey, Rams.
Yo.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Amar. Amar, it's 2.
Bring that over to my screen real quick, if you don't mind.
We are understanding.
Oh, perfect.
Let me triple
You can
check.
see that? So you can see that.
The plus you said, right?
Green, we're green, baby. Green.
Okay, let me see. Start.
Man, this market kind of fuego though. Every time you take a position, it's $1,000.
No, start.
Wow. 2 days, Amar.
2 days for what?
2 days. 2 days. I can't shout them out then because today's shout out is TPT. If you guys want daily payouts, make sure to sign up with TPT. Put TPT in chat, guys.
I got you. TPT, easy.
Code ACE will get you 30% off, no activation fee, guys, and daily payouts. Could you ask for anything better from a prop? You tell me. That was a sexy level. Oh, man. Yep.
That was a 6.
Came back. Yeah, it came back as well. Came back to trade it. I'm going to switch over to a 3-minute. You know what? I'm actually going to put on a 2, which is not my typical, but man, when you're getting 100-point 1-minute candles,
You think we
and the
we come
3 is
back a
going to
little
be
bit here?
500 points.
You think we come back a little bit here? To the
I
upside?
think that was the retest right there on that previous wick. So unless she closes underneath this midline, I think we can hold above, especially since that's our pre-market high as well, right? So 426.
It wants to happen, but it's not happening. It doesn't.
Yep.
It doesn't like it.
If she stays underneath that 426 and in between 444, which is our weekly anchored VWAP, we're still shoveling down, or we're just going to stay within range.
I like it. Guys, listen to how amazing this analysis is. You get this for free in stream every single day by the man himself, Ace. Ace, look at this fucking market, dude. Holy.
Yep. And there's that level, guys, so that we were talking about.
Look at that retest, that beautiful retest of that level.
Pre-market high right here, 425. It's holding. We do have weekly anchored at 444, where we get insane, beautiful touches, guys, all
can't
day
even
today.
This looks so whack on the 1 minute. It looks so
Yeah,
bad.
I switched over to a 2, 3. If I'm gauging it off a 3-minute, that's 500-point candles right there. Like, I can't do that.
Yeah, nobody can.
So I'm just gonna split the difference from my 1 and my 3, like taking a 2-minute, which I never do.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna lock out for the day, my man. These candles are
makes
getting
sense.
a little whack.
Honestly, that
Of
makes
1100, I think I'm done. I think I got real lucky on some of this stuff. You know. Yeah, it's solid lockouts. We're gonna watch and learn with you, brother. We're gonna watch and learn today.
359. Anything under 359.
359, bro.
Yeah.
That is far.
359. I mean,
What?
is it? That could happen in 1 minute.
Yeah, actually, my bad. Digging into the wrong market.
In a stable market? Oh, I couldn't agree more with you, brother.
Look at how this. Okay, look at how this looks on the 3-minute on TradingView. Okay, we pull this up. Okay, pulling this up. We got the candle at 9:39 is 376. The body to 511. Then the candle at what is 941 on the 3-minute or 42 on the 3-minute, 511 back down to 369. And then we have a bullish move 6 minutes after that from 347 all the way up to 505. Like, what?
It really do be like that right
That's
now.
ridiculous. That is ridiculous.
Still holding, guys. Still wanting a little bit more of that squeeze. Gorgeous wick off of that, too. And if we hold above that weekly anchored, man, we could see another 100-point play. Maybe even 5. Maybe even 3.
Well,
We are ranging.
100-point plays are the norm now, buddy. So
Oh, yeah.
maybe let's try 200.
I mean, we did call out an 1,000-point play on
That's
Monday.
true. We were in for 1,000 points on Monday. Look how many people we got kicking with it.
And here we go, guys. I'm going to try once again to tap into this long. Could easily reject. I got no closes yet.
Please be very careful. This market is rough.
Especially in this market.
Morning, country. Nice to see you, brother.
Good morning, country. Top of the morning to you. There we go. Give it to me. Give me that funk, that sweet, that nasty. Gorgeous. Come on. You think we care about 30 points when it's smacking down 30 points at the same time?
Once again, if we get one more, wait, how are we looking for followers? Or are we're looking for how many followers are we away, Ace?
We're still ways away. We're still sitting 14 away.
Okay, nobody clicked follow. We actually got more subscribers.
One person followed. Yeah, we got more subscribers than we did follows, which is sad.
Okay, yo, if you guys follow, Ace is giving away a TPT if we get 14 more followers. So do you guys in live options A not have Twitch accounts that you can go follow? We're giving away a TPT account. Does nobody want a TPT account? I'm confused.
Ooh. Wow. That's going to slide. Like I said, it was an early entry. Still think she's really nice. Especially if she reclaims with a full close above that 444.
Everybody follow.
There's the bottom of the box. Below here, guys, shorts are in full effect. And I think I might even mini it. Wow. And I just did not want that. Full suck up. Here we go. Tapped into it. We are long. Once again. Because as long as she can hold. I mean, I am playing the chop. So let that be known, guys. These are not the A+ setups, but we are playing with so much buffer. Whew. Talk about it. Talk about it, Vin. Talk about it, baby. There we go. Once again, perfect. Guys. Insane. Just 100 points right out the gate. Come on. Come on. What is my entry? 388? Yep. 100 points right there. Sexy. Come on. Come on, bro.
Oh, we hit our 10th sub.
Come on. Just bring it back to back to back, baby.
Thank you.
Bring it back to back to back. Another $500 play, guys. 100 points. Move that SL if you need to. If you guys want to know where I'm moving my SL to, I still like to play to breathe. I mean, again, that did hit full PT sitting at that 17.5. Full cuts are basically in effect. You could hit a scale. I'm literally trading with full buffer right now. And for me, there's just no need. I'm just going to shovel this SL all the way up. And if it gets tapped, Papa does not care. Nice $600 play right there, guys.
Ace, how many followers are you away now? Let's take another peek.
We got 12 more.
12 more. 12 more people for the TPT account giveaway. I'd be so sad if we don't get to give one away. I guess we'll have to wait.
And even if you guys are rich and you guys don't care about a giveaway, guess what?
Somebody does.
I bet you still want to benefit from using TPT and their daily payouts. So make sure to use code ACE.
Are y'all multi-streaming?
No.
I don't know what that means.
No. So Twitch has the multi-streaming function, if that's what you mean, country.
Oh, no, we're not doing that.
Let's go, Easy.
Let's go.
Beautiful,
Let's go
beautiful,
Cash.
beautiful.
Yeah, let me shout out people right now.
Shout out to subscribers, man.
It doesn't even show on my activity feed. Pardon?
That's tough. That's tough.
Yeah, that's so tough.
We got 10 new subs. We're 12 away from giving away a TPT account. Nobody in Live Options A wants to follow us on Twitch. They don't like us. That's cool.
There we go. You're getting people. You are getting people, sir.
Well, they don't like us. They're making me. I'm gonna cry if we don't give away TPT because
11
I want to win the TPT
11
account.
away now.
I want to win the TPT account. I want a
You don't-
TPT. I'm not.
You
I'm not
don't. You
rich.
don't qualify.
Why don't I qualify? I'm gonna start making accounts and following you. Ace is next level. Yes, he is. Ace is the best
I
trader I've ever
appreciate
met.
it, guys.
That's true.
I
True
appreciate y'all.
I'm coming for him though. Don't worry. He's
I
looking
mean,
at
this
his
is definitely no PW stream with 5,000 viewers, but I mean, we'll take 46, I guess. You don't know who PW is? Patrick Whelan?
Yeah, no, I know who Patrick Whelan is. I was just reading Redhead's comment in Live Options
go,
8.
10
Vinny
away.
with the stroke game. Nice. Sick, dude.
Ooh, hydrate.
Someone
Thank
read.
you, Sus, guy.
This is like the complete opposite of a hydrate, but I'm down.
Stroking that ace ego. Yeah. Well, when he offers you a position to stream with him, let me know. And you can do it too. W, bro. 10-year auction, 1 p.m. Watch it. I'd stroke him now. That's crazy behavior. For those other people, not me, haha, what's a TPT account? Take Profit Trader account is a prop firm that you can trade futures with, which is what we've been doing for the past hour on
Shout out
stream.
Flex for the sub with Prime.
So Take
All the
Profit,
follows.
you can get daily payouts. We think it's the best prop firm right now for ROI, return on investment. It's fantastic. They have an absolutely fantastic support system. They have a great UI, and they're quick with the payouts. There's nowhere better right now, and code ACE gets you 30% off on Take Profit Trader. So we are giving one of those away today out of Ace's own pocket. That's code ACE. That's the wrong thing.
Yeah, because
We're
I
giving-
am not a big affiliate with them, so they are
He's
not giving
not
me
a
free
big
accounts
affiliate.
to give away, guys.
He literally just wants somebody to like experience it. To my knowledge.
Legitimately.
It's that good.
Legitimately.
Delay is crazy on Twitch. How? Yeah, well, I mean, we have to have delay, or you guys lose value. Thank you for the 6-month sub. We're hit 12. We're 30. Dude, we're 70 away from our 100 sub goal. That's crazy. Thank you for the subscription. In TPT, if it's a 50, 100, or 150Ks, the payout cap at 5K before they send you to live, it's 10K, I believe. I'm almost positive it's 10K. When is the next Ace Mastermind? I'm not sure. I think we're
But guess what? If you use, I don't even know my own commands right now. We just completely changed all of them. If you click that link right there,
Bro,
you
thank
can
you for
join
the
the
anonymous
waitlist
gift
for the
of
next
a tier 1
mastermind.
sub, Ace. Look at that.
Anonymous is giving tier 1 subs. Thank you, Anonymous. We don't know who you are, but we do like you. And we are currently sitting at 49 viewers, Vin. Do we touch 50? And we are also
We did. We
8
did. We touched
viewers
52.
away.
We touched 52
Oh, did we?
earlier. So we cracked
Beauty.
50. In the first week of us streaming, we went from 28 on Monday to 52.
And on
on
Monday was the
Wednesday.
biggest banger day of all time, catching 1,000 points, guys.
Guys, again, we're working on trying. Well, I don't know if I can say that.
Wow.
I don't want to promise anything that I can't follow through with. We're trying to reduce the latency. We're trying to get you guys in Stock Dads. Come join Stock Dads. Then the latency is actually 0. So Yeah, and we can provide value to all these people that are in
He was
here.
like, I don't know.
You got some pretty cool people in here that are talking,
Oh,
like
yeah.
Redhead, who says I'm stroking Ace's ego. You can't stroke Ace's ego. He's a narcissist. It can't. It's impossible.
What in the world?
It's impossible.
What in the world?
Go ask his girlfriend if he can stroke his ego. She'll be like, nah, I don't think Hey, good. Okay, dude. I can't repeat this 6 times on stream, but I see it. There's an ad break in 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Ace, we just cracked 60 viewers on Twitch. 6-0. We're at 60 viewers on Twitch. If you follow, and we hit, I think we're like 10 away. 10 away. We're giving away a TPT account to one of you in the stream right now. I'm the one who's choosing that. Maybe I'll pick out your name. We love you guys. Thank you for the subscription, Dingleberry. Damn, you guys are killing it today, man. I love you all. This makes me happy to see that we're providing
correct?
some more value.
So insert the link to the banner, use the template, hashtag code, and then the banner. Do I do that?
Would they let y'all give away a Stock Dads membership? 100%. Yes, that we're working on it.
Money
We're
side
working
payment.
on it.
Oh, or maybe that.
So
I
in the
don't know.
future,
Yeah,
if
we'll
you guys
see. Let's
subscribe
click
and
save.
follow on the Twitch, we're working on giveaways, more giveaways, either coming from Stock Dads or other prop firms that are either coming out of Ace's pocket or not, actual genuine affiliations with prop firms. But you guys coming here and subscribing and viewing and following shows those prop firms that
Just so I
we
can see it.
have enough people and enough pull to give them away. Also, buying stuff with Ace's affiliation, we're trying to work on that. If you guys buy more with Ace's code, then they will also identify that we are reliable and consistent
serious
enough
out
to give
here.
away more accounts. Yeah, we're serious is what it comes down to. But how many followers are we away, Ace? You have it up.
5.
5 followers. 5 followers, and we're giving away a TPT account.
Make it
5 people.
4,
I will
man.
start creating fake Twitch accounts and following. Please follow. Let's see if I can pull the. Can I pull the viewer list up?
Oh. It was
You gonna
not that.
You gonna let me pick, Ace?
I was gonna run the generator, but yeah, I mean,
I
you
can run.
could.
I can run the generator.
I'm pretty sure we have it in Nightbot too.
Oh, perfect. Then it's random. And I'm not showing favoritism. Yeah, let's do that because somebody's gonna be like, "Oh my God, he's lying. He knows that guy." We're a couple viewers away. Ad break starts in 1 minute. Couple people away from pulling out a TPT account.
2 more.
Well, that's kind of cool.
2 more people.
Look,
more
Rams,
people.
if they go
and
with
we
my
give
link
away
now,
a TPT account.
no, it's okay, or they can just do that,
Ace is the place that
Did you
help
see it?
trade
Yeah,
where.
bruh.
I have also created 200 fake accounts.
Incognito. There you go.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's pretty cool, no? Vin,
So
you want to see
close.
something cool?
I want to see something cool.
Type TPT in chat.
TPT.
Click on that link,
Clicking on
and
that
then
link.
look at that banner at the top. What does it say for the people?
I don't know. It took me straight to my account where it's getting my blown accounts, so I have no idea.
Yeah, you have to be logged out, or you have to
Oh.
just grab that link and open it in incognito. We are
Oh,
one away.
On me, gang. On me, gang. Yeah, it just took me straight to my blown accounts. It's kind of messed up. It was just like, look, dude.
Look
it
at
says,
what you did.
It says 30% off by using code ACE at the top. How
That
much
is
percentage?
sexy.
30%. We're also about to give away a TPT account. I'm so excited. Step up your light setup, bro. Dude, I'm not paying for that. So talk to DJ or Ace.
Shout
you guys,
outs.
this is what you're getting.
Yo,
This
for
is
the
what you're
sub.
getting, bro. 74 viewers, 75 viewers, Ace. 75 viewers.
Whoa, where are we getting these people from?
They're all coming because of my voice. They want to hear me.
Love it. Guys, we are one.
Subscribe.
follow away.
Albio, thank you for the subscription, brother. We hit 15 today. We destroyed our goal. 1 follower away from giving away a TPT account. 1 follower away.
Which?
The draw.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We are getting some action. Guys, we hit 4K. We just hit it.
We hit 4K?
We hit 4K and we're still getting follows, baby.
We hit 4K
Shout out
and we're still getting
CT, shout out
follows?
Rusty, shout out Traff, shout out Black Girl. Hey, yo. Shout out
Dude.
Pulled Pork. Shout
Pulled
out
Pork.
Seek,
My light setup
Pavel,
is a newer...
Dingleberry. Yo, Dingleberry
newer-
created like 3 accounts. What's going on? Who is that? Oh, no, they didn't. That was a sub with Prime and then a follow.
Thank you, Dingleberry. I appreciate you, brother.
I'm a goof. I apologize.
Thank you, guys. All right, well, let's give away this account. Should we give away this account?
Should we
What you
give away
think,
this
Ace?
account?
Should we give away this account, or should we let one more minute for everybody who hasn't followed to get entered in?
I think that's exactly what we should do.
All right, one more minute. Anybody who has not followed,
Join the stream and followed.
We'll
You
give
must
you
be
2
following
minutes.
and on stream.
at 10:38, I'm gonna pull the list so we can generate the list. If I win, I'll subscribe on SD ASAP.
Yo, Vid, you want me to just do a giveaway here?
Yeah, we can just do it on the manager.
Yeah, that's
we
what.
can,
That's what.
we can
But
do a keyword.
what's the keyword?
We'll come up with it.
Vinny. I like Vinny. Wait for the ad break. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the ad break. And then after the ad break is over, we will do the giveaway. So we have everybody in here so we can get the hype for who wins. I'm so excited to give away this account, dude. So excited. If I win, I'll get a watermelon tattoo. Dude, 81 viewers. Good heavens. Ace, I think we need to do more giveaways, dude. 2 minutes and
Is that what
23
it
seconds.
takes? Do we need to do daily giveaways? Because I
Dude,
will do it.
Dude, how about we do daily giveaways from here on out if we hit 100 subscribers?
If I win,
think
I'll
that's
get a
a great
watermelon
idea.
tattoo. The watermelon tattoo is probably more expensive than the account, especially using code ACE for
Yo.
daily payouts. And you can connect 5 accounts. I'm just saying.
Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. Yo, you know what? You know it'd be crazy if I just pop my link in there just in case anybody wanted to join StockDads. That'd be really crazy. That'd be so weird.
Or
Anyways,
they can
if you
just
wanna-
do exclamation mark SD and join right there, guys.
You can pick. You can pick. I have
You
no
can pick.
affiliation. Hayes has millions of dollars. But yeah, go ahead, pick. You know.
They're probably all with stock ads. Everyone from
Yeah.
the
Everyone.
VC
If
just
you're not
joined.
with StockDads, click that Vinny link. Click the Vinny link. Click the Vinny. But if you are with StockDads, we appreciate you coming and hanging out with us.
And we are still ranging, guys. I do not want to take. If you guys were just trading off of my levels, then beauty. If not, then
Look at that short candle, though. Honestly,
Yep.
526.
right off of ORH2.
It's a 100-point candle.
Yep. What is up, Myers? How are you?
All right, boys and girls, we got 1 minute until the giveaway. 1 minute and 58 seconds now. 58 seconds.
All right, let's do this. If you're in chat, hey, let them know. If they're in chat, write keyword Vinny.
Keyword Vinny? If they're in
Keyword
chat?
Vinny to enter the giveaway.
All right, you have to put Vinny in chat to enter the giveaway. Everybody type Vinny.
There you guys
Type
go.
Vinny in chat.
Type
Everyone
Vinny
type
in
Vinny
chat.
in chat.
Subscribers do
VINNY.
have a 3-time luck multiplier.
Ooh,
Who's
and
that
if you are
guy?
subscribed, you have 3 times better of a chance of winning.
Yo, Kelly, you misspelled my name. Retype that. We'll give you guys 1 minute to sub too. If you guys sub, no, VINNY. VINNY.
Are you running a timer right now or no?
If you
No.
guys sub,
No?
you have a 3 times better chance to win that stuff. Dude, Amar, like what? Like why? Like why, dude? Like
If you guys are subbed, which is free to do if you connect your Amazon Prime to Twitch, it's free. Then you have a 3 times better chance of winning this giveaway, guys. Well, if you unsubbed, you're still sub for the month. So And guys, make sure to follow because we are only doing it for followers. Make sure you guys are viewing if you guys are in stock dads. What happened? Vinny got timed out. Oh, Vinny timed out Amar. I think this girl.
If you subscribe and follow, if you subscribe, you have a 3 times better chance of winning the account. If you follow, you are entered into the giveaway if you type Vinny in chat. So that counts as an entry if you type Vinny in chat. That is backwards, but that was clever.
Should we run it?
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. We got to wait for the ad to end. I'm pretty sure everybody's on ad right now. Yeah,
Yeah,
the ad
they
break
are.
ends in 1 minute and 26 seconds. We can't run it right now. What are you talking about?
We can't run it yet. We can't run it yet.
Code word Vinny.
My apartment complex is doing an Easter egg hunt. Let's go. Type Vinny in chat. Vinny in chat. If you sub 3 times of winning the account, 3x. 3x. That's 3 times. So your entry is 3 people instead of 1 person. Type Vinny in chat.
Why do I hear
get
an
entered.
echo?
Probably because my headset's very close to my microphone.
Oh, I was saying, I'm like, why do I hear myself? That's gross.
Sorry, gang. Sorry, gang. I turned it down.
All right, should we run it?
No,
not
it's
yet,
still got
not
30
yet,
seconds.
not yet.
Dude,
My bad, my bad.
impatient,
Not
bro.
yet,
This
not
guy's
yet.
got the worst ADHD ever. Good Lord, man. Quiet down over there, Rams.
48 entries.
14 seconds, and
Why
then
do I hear
we're going to run
Vin?
the giveaway.
Am I tripping? I hear Vinny in the background. I think it's someone on VC.
It might be.
Shout out Pulled Pork.
It's
Coming in
Amar.
clutch.
It's Amar. Because I haven't muted. It's Amar, bro.
Is it Amar?
Yes.
For sure.
He always has that echo, too. All right, everybody's back. Last chance to type Vinny in chat. Type Vinny in chat.
Why are we losing viewers, guys? We are giving away an account.
Type Vinny in chat last second, and then also subscribe. You guys got 20 seconds, and then we're running the TPT giveaway. I'm going to count down from 20. 19. I'm counting down in my head right now.
Yo, you stopped at 19. That's crazy.
10. 9. Yeah, I'm not going to count all the way down. All right, Ace, let's run this giveaway.
No, I'm crying right now. I am so funny. You guys want to know what's been going on? I have not been looking at the proper dashboard for Take Profit Trader. So what I've been doing is I've been taking screenshots of all their posts and then editing them manually myself.
They give it to you.
They give it to me. They make all my graphics for me, but I've been doing it myself. Oh
Ace.
man, that is so
Ace.
funny.
Lock it.
Run that giveaway right now.
All
We're
right.
running it. We are running it.
Run that giveaway right now. Wait, I want to see. Congratulations to
Boro.
Uboro. Type in chat. Type in chat, Uboro.
Type in chat.
You got to be here. If you're not here, you don't get the account. You got to type in chat.
You got 30 seconds to type in chat.
No, it's more like 20,
go, Boro.
20,
Let's go,
19.
Boro.
18, 17, 16, 15.
I feel so
14,
bad. How about if they're at work
13,
and they're just sweating buckets right now?
There he
you go.
is.
Absolute W.
There
I
he is.
am messaging you right now
Ace. Ace. I don't know.
so you can claim.
Ace, should we do one more?
What was that, Vin?
I don't know. I just said maybe we should do one more if everybody.
Hey, Vin, I'm not that rich, okay? We're
Well,
rich,
well,
but we're
I'm
not
just-
that rich.
I'm just saying
No,
maybe
no one
if
got
everybody-
rich by giving away their money, okay?
if everybody wanted it in chat, in Twitch chat, if everybody wanted it, then maybe we would do one more.
That is a fact. That is a fact. I just
It-
messaged you, Boro, on Twitch. So whenever
You
have
guys
the
got to
time,
spam Ace, please. Ace, please, for one more. It's got to be spammed. It's got to be insane.
It needs to be insane if you guys want it. Absolutely insane.
It's got to be spammed. Literally spammed. Ace, please. Ace, please. The link for you, big man. It's right there. That's the Twitch stream.
Say Ace, please. What do you think?
Trade catcher in Twitch chat. One more. You guys gotta spam this, bruh. Spam it. Spam it. Spam it. Spam it. I'll spam it for you too. Ace, please. Ace, please. We're spamming Ace, please, for one more account. Ace, please. Ace, please. Ace, please. Chat's going crazy. Don't let Oprah outdo you. Hey, please. Surprise. Hey, please. Ace, I don't know. It's a lot of spam.
We're doing it.
It's up to Ace. What do you think, Ace? You think they deserve it?
I'm 1 second. I am currently on support for affiliations with TPT. So give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just
Give him
being
2
honest.
seconds. Keep spamming.
Keep
Ace,
spamming it, though.
please. Keep spamming Ace, please.
And also type in Vinny if
Yeah, also type
Still
Vinny if you want to
wanted to
get
enter the
re-entered into
potential.
the next giveaway. The potential next giveaway. No. Just type Vinny. I don't need Vinny, please, bro. Just type Vinny. Just type Vinny if you want to get entered into the potential next giveaway.
We should change it up for the next one.
all right, you can change it up.
Should we do somewhere else?
Make it. The command is gonna go insane. Make it TPT. Make it TPT. 30% off, guys, with TPT.
TPT lowercase, TPT lowercase to enter the next giveaway. TPT lowercase. TPT lowercase to enter the giveaway, not Vinny. TPT lowercase, TPT lowercase. If you type TPT, you will be entered into the giveaway. Keep spamming TPT lowercase. We're almost done.
I wish
You
the
guys got-
full view got that.
One more minute, and then we're closing the giveaway. TPT. For one more TPT account. Everybody, thank you, Ace. Thank you, Ace, for giving away one more TPT account. Type it in the Twitch stream, fellas. In the Twitch stream for the peeps and stocked ads. You gotta go type it in the Twitch stream and be a follower. Not in here.
Okay. I did message support. I don't know when they'll get back to me, but just know that you guys will get your accounts. I am a man of my word. And keep typing TPT in chat, guys, if you guys want to enter this giveaway.
If it comes down to it, Ace will
And if you
PayPal
guys
you
do
the money.
not care, about the giveaway, make sure to just use the damn prop because they are golden. I'm telling you, 30% off, guys, using code ACE, 30% off, daily payouts, no activation fee.
All
Do
right.
I need to say more, Vin?
No, that's it. That's all you need to say. 5 seconds.
Daily
You guys got 5
payouts.
seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we got to wait for the latency to go away. Now we got to wait for
I'm
the
ready.
latency.
He said he's ready.
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork!
pork!
Let's
W!
go!
Let's
Let's
go,
go!
pulled pork! Let's
Let's
go!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go, dude. Rams, take the latency off the stream. W to pulled pork, man. Good for you, dog.
Absolute W.
And he sent a message. Let's fucking go pulled pork.
That a boy, pulled pork. Rams, you take that latency off.
Absolute beauty.
I don't know what the process is to do it, but take
I
that
think we need
latency off.
Do we need?
Too much work. Too much work.
Yeah, too much work right now.
Too much work right now. No latencies coming off. We're gonna be
You
hanging
know,
around.
I think we do. I think we turn it off on Streamlabs and just run it through Twitch. The latency. Because YouTube has natural 30-second to a minute anyway.
Congrats,
Yep.
pulled pork. Man,
Congrats,
you printed,
pulled
dog.
pork.
Let's
Everyone-
go.
Everyone say congrats to pulled pork. Pulled pork, I did
Congratulations,
DM
pulled
you.
pork.
Check your DMs on Twitch, and same with Boro, so I can get you guys your accounts.
Absolute W.
Absolute W for real, for real.
W for real, man. Pulled pork. I'm so happy that he won. Out of all people, he's been pretty active in that chat today.
Hey, oh yeah, and he subbed today.
And he
Man,
subbed
he
today. That's what
got
it is.
that 3 times.
That 3x.
That 3x.
For further giveaways, if you guys want 3x, subscribe to the Twitch through your
And
Twitch Prime.
Nightbot
It's
just
literally
listed,
free.
guys, all of my affiliations. Whether you want to use Tradeify for the best STFs, whether you want to use MFF for the most consistent, probably the best overall, just long-term growth prop. If you guys want to use FFF for probably, in comparison to TPT, one of the best ROIs.
No, for
Connect-
50K. Sorry. Let me answer this question. For 50K on TPT, after you pass it, it's 2K of intraday drawdown. So you want to build that 2K buffer, and everything after that you can withdraw
Is it 2K?
immediately. Yeah, it's 2K on a 50.
It's not 3 on
it's
a
2.
50K?
No, it's 2.
How does that make sense if to pass 25K is 1.5 and then the buffer is still 1.5?
I don't know.
Or am I goofing? And I'm just getting that wrong.
I think the buffer might be 750 on a 25K, but I don't know. I think it's in half.
Do you want to double check for me, anyone?
Yeah. Let me check right now. We're going to check right now and make sure I know what I'm talking about. Hold on. Let's see. Pro account. Keeping track of drawdown.
So you should build a buffer above the 2K on the buffer? Huh? Rugby, you
Hold
just
on.
tripped me out. You should build a buffer above the 2K on the buffer. So the 2K is your buffer, right? So as soon as you got moved over to pro, once you passed out over your eval, you build the 2K buffer on top of that. It now turns into end of day drawdown, plus you get the 90-10 split daily payouts after that. If you withdraw anything inside of that buffer, you are subjected to a 50-50 with TPT, and they do close your account. Yeah, the intraday drawdown completely falls off once you pass that buffer. They just want to make sure you're a consistent trader. They're doing it for your own benefit, really, right? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be so for real. I do not see this on their
Code
FAQ.
ACE, Amarzis. Code ACE. 30% off. If you guys click that link, you guys can see it in the banner. They put it in for me. No activation fees, baby.
Yeah. No activation fees. No activation fee with code ACE only. If you don't use code ACE, you will have an activation fee. The control center. I don't even see it. It says pro account FAQ, and then it says nothing about the drawdown rules. It's so whack. So I have I'm pretty sure it's 2K.
Wow. I completely missed that, but that just slid.
Oh man,
Haven?
that's 100 points.
Tapped into my CE2 after that retest bottom of the range. Ooh,
Whoa.
that would have been the sexiest play.
Oopsie.
But I was too busy giving away accounts. We met our goal in terms of dollar value, and I don't even look at dollar value, but money has been made today. We called out multiple 100-pointers. Vinny called one out. I called one out right out the gate. We literally started stream, and I said, guys, Amar had he has something. Caught it watching your chart. Let's go, Annie. I love that. And hey, even if you guys are on stream and you guys just want to look at my chart and my levels, then so be it. It's always going to be up there for you guys. Dude, my order didn't go through for that slide. Oh no, Jones. That be happening.
Bro, at least you had an order in. You know what you're doing.
I also caught it off your levels. Let's go, Sauce. Why is it all my students? I love that. If you guys want to become a future student, make sure to type in Stock Dads into the chat, and you guys can join that wait list.
They know where to look, Ace.
If you guys scroll to the very bottom of that link, you guys can see join the wait list. Well, it's not the very bottom. The very bottom is all my props. What a banger stream, huh? This is a good way to end it. I am going to update you guys. Next week's streams are going to get pushed all the way until Thursday. Ace is taking a well-deserved break from tomorrow.
We don't trade. We don't trade Fridays, by the way. So tomorrow's the last day we're trading.
Correct.
Oh no,
we do not trade Fridays.
You're not
Streams
there
will be Monday
tomorrow,
to Thursday. Right? I will not be here tomorrow. Today is the
So-
last day. Therefore, do I say it? Do we run another? Nah, they're not ready for that. How about this? We are currently sitting at 4,009 followers. We are sitting at 40 subs. If we can get to 50 subs by today, that just means 10 more subs. Someone could buy 10 subs by themselves. And subs don't really do much in terms of giving me money, guys. I just want to know you guys are supporting the streams. But 10 more subs, and I'll do a giveaway every stream. Not next week, because that's not fair. Because we're only going to do 2 next week. But I'll give away 2 next week and 1 at least every day for the rest of the month that we are live. How does that sound, Vin?
That sounds great.
10 more subs. We'll see. Edgar, UW. Have I ever told you that you're my favorite streamer? Wild work. Welcome back, Edgar. It's been way too long. Do you remember Edgar?
Oh yeah.
The biggest troll of ever. Oh yeah, you played with him too.
He used to pop in my stream.
Yeah, I remember. I want to screenshot that just to show.
Let's go. What a great day.
What a banger day. I guess they don't want that was a big ask. 10 more subs is a big ask, especially since it is free with Amazon Prime. We just got 5 right there from NKA Big Man.
Dude.
NKA
Thank you,
Big Man.
bro.
That is our first, other than Jill, that is our first big sub giveaway.
Let's go, dude.
Absolute W's in the chat.
Thank you,
For
bro.
real. W's in the chat.
Edgar say you don't even answer my calls anymore. This because Ace is busy as hell.
You don't even answer my yeah, I don't answer my own girlfriend's
Thank
calls.
you, NKA Big Man, bro. Thank you. Seriously. The more we get stuff like that, the more we can show the people above us that this is working, and we can continue doing bigger giveaways and more stuff.
Oh yeah.
And then the bigger the giveaway means that the company pays for them, which means we can do a bunch of them.
That's a big fact. And
Yeah.
guys, I did get a question asking which account I buy for TPTs. I do the 25.
I also
It's
do the
only
25.
It's only 1.5K to pass. And then you get daily payouts after that. You guys have seen, especially in this market, all you need is what? 1 micro? Is it nice to have the extra drawdown? Yeah. So that's
Yes.
completely up to you guys.
5 days
But
to
I
pass,
mean-
by the way. Oh, I killed Ace.
You killed me.
5 days to pass.
5 days to pass. That is correct.
but that's good because that keeps you in check. Number one, if you don't want to pass it in one day, and two, if you pass it in
Oh,
2
that
days, you just throw a
slide
micro.
all
Look
the
at that.
way to
Ah.
OR
500 points.
L, guys. ORL full slide from my level if you trade it off of that CE. That is 173. If you took it off of anchored VWAP, that straight rejection, you just caught 238. Insane.
Bro, GG's, Ace. That's a good way to end it off. 11 a.m. Great way to end this stream off, this week off. What a great first week of streaming. When are we going to be back, Ace? When are we going to be back?
We are going to be back. I'm doing a hard debate right now.
Why are you
We
hard
could
debating?
do a surprise. For sure, we will be back on Thursday. For sure. The debate is the Wednesday.
I think maybe we just tell them it's up in the air for Wednesday and have them thinking about it. But the only way you stream Wednesday is if we get to 50 subs.
We were
That's-
5 more away.
That's
we
7
are 5
more.
more away.
7. That's 7 more.
5.
Oh,
5.
5.
Yeah.
5.
Because we just had NK just drop a nice 5 dono.
Yeah, but we got 43 out of 100 on our 100 sub goal. So if we hit 50 on that,
Oh, on my end, it shows 45. It could be delayed on that. On the panel. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah, I'm looking at the panel.
Yeah.
That's what I'm seeing. So if we, so what's the deal? If we get 5 more subs, then you'll stream Wednesday.
Then we will stream Wednesday.
Oh, that's
Wait. No, I lied. I didn't even know what I was saying. It'll be tentative. I come back that day, so it's going to be a stretch to even try to make it.
He doesn't sleep anyways. He's definitely streaming on Wednesday.
Yeah, for sure it's going to be Thursday. 100% we'll be back. Wednesday will be up in the air. That we can guarantee you guys. I caught the Q short off the top of Orb and weekly anchored VWAP Mastermind Pace. Let's go, Devin. Devin, you are an absolute beaut. Sauce, you're an absolute beaut. Seeing the names constantly. It's the same people in and out making the monies, guys. I love my students. Played options though, so barely in profit. It happens, Annie. Annie, have you hopped on futures yet? Have you made that transition or tinkled in it? Tinkled? What am I saying, bro? I need sleep. I be using the weirdest words. Tinkle? Come on. On stream celebration W.
That's me, by the way. How do I gift?
Vinny's gonna gift the 5 songs.
I get the 5 subs because I want to stream. Cheer.
Just for it to get cut in half by Twitch and then go 33%. Back to you.
Great ROI.
Yeah, insane ROI there, huh, Vin?
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
I doubled my $500
Dude.
futures account today. Thank you, baby. Let's go. Another student. Angel, I know you have Amazon Prime. I need to see that stuff.
Angel.
Same with you,
Hey,
Sauce.
if you have Amazon Prime, by the way,
Those are my
it's
students.
literally
too.
free, dude. They
is
don't.
free,
they
guys.
do not charge you,
Bro,
and
no,
if you
I'm
don't
broke.
have
Okay,
Amazon,
fine.
bro. If you don't
That's
have
fine.
Amazon Prime, it's $5. $5. It is $5, which is a lot of money right now.
Let me see if I
nowadays.
got an update.
But do you love us? If
Also, shout out to whoever just used my MFF code. You are the first person, and that was during today's stream. You were my first affiliate on MFF. The very first one. I have not gotten anyone. I don't make much
Bro.
off of affiliations, guys.
let FFF pay me out and I'm subbing, so you're gonna take $5
Omar, was that
of
you?
that.
Oh, I think it
$1,000
is
payout.
actually. I actually do think it's you. W Omar. Omar, you're my first. I
Aw.
like when you pop it. Wait, what?
What?
On stream
Okay,
2?
all right,
That's crazy.
all right,
On
all
stream
right.
2 is crazy.
Anyways,
Who said that?
anyways,
Clip
we
that.
appreciate you guys being here. We love you all. It means so much to us that you're here every day chilling with your boy and your other boy.
I'm on my sister's account and she won't give me the password. Let FFF pay me out, and I'm subbing. AW socks.
End the stream.
We're ending stream. We're
Stop
5 away.
Stop chatting to the. They got to get it when you're gone. That's the point. They got to do what when you're not looking. When you're not looking, that's when they have to prove it.
Okay. Borrow. What? Your
Good stuff, Adam. Congratulations.
Again, shout out to Borrow for winning the account. Shout out to Pulled Pork for winning the account. I just messaged you guys on Whispers on Twitch, which is just your DMs on here. Make sure to message me back.
And
let's get that wrapped up.
Get you set up.
We'll get you guys set up.
Pulled Pork, if you buy them for me, then sure.
Today's top story. I love ya. Ooh, that pop. I was gonna take that too off of weekly POC. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Best traders in the game.
Said wait for another 5. Said wait for another 5.
What do you mean, NKA? What do you mean by that? He's saying wait for another 5. Ace might potentially give another one today. I think that's what he's saying.
People want it.
People want it.
Why is this guy so obsessed with me getting better lights?
I don't know. I like it though.
I
like when people do the call outs. Let's see if anyone signed up on TPT today. We had a whole. Let's see. Many, guess how many?
0.
Just take it, guys.
0.
No, we got at least one. I'll tell you that.
1.
Your guess is 1. You're just gonna go at the very bottom. That's crazy.
Yeah. How many is it?
I am counting right now.
Oh, it's more than 1.
Oh, actually, not too sharp. You know what? I won't shit on you.
How many?
We got 5.
That's actually not bad at all.
5 new accounts. I mean, it doesn't cover what I'm about to pay to give you guys these accounts, but
it gets
absolute
close.
W. Finally got Twitch working. Let's go, Trade Catcher. Absolute dub.
It gets close.
I mean, not at all. Not at all, Ben.
Well,
Not at all.
We should end the stream before this next ad break. 100%.
And let the ad run.
All right, 1 minute and 35 seconds.
We're having fun.
Either way, I gotta hop out of here in 2 minutes. So,
Well, there's that.
well, you know that.
Well, to make partner was an average viewership of 75, and I got that immediately. Wow.
Yeah,
I killed that.
we were up to 80 today. We almost crested 100. Proud of us, honestly.
Message request and accept. Perfect. Borrow and pulled. I now see your messages. Absolute beauty. Pulled Pork in my DM said, "Sup, Ace Daddy, tell Vinny he needs better lights."
Why? I don't even understand. What does he want me to do? Dude, fuck this guy. I don't control that. No, I don't.
Oh, is that
They
Royal?
tell me
We
what
got
to do.
Royal in here now? Royal. I love you.
They tell me what to do, Royal. I do not control it. I'm not controlling it on my end. They tell me what to do. Oh my God.
Vinny's gonna hurt himself.
I'm done talking to you. Bro, it's on his end.
I love when Vinny rages. It's probably my favorite, to be honest.
Bro, no, you're wrong. I can't control it because it's through a software that is on their end. Rams controls the stream.
What is he at?
I have no clue.
No, all right. That's it for me, guys. I'm out of here for the day. I appreciate you.
I like this. I really, really like this.
Yeah, I like this too. All right, I'm turning off my VOD. Go to Ace Single.
Go to a signal. He literally left, guys. He just left me all alone. That's crazy. Anyways, shout out TY for the sub. We are 4 away, and I don't think we are going to get it this stream, but it is what it is, guys. Straight to my level once again. Previous weekly low. We are on a nice bullish run. If we were looking at structures, it's literally right here. If you guys want to be a little bit safer on a higher time frame, we're talking that 340 level, which has been talked about numerous times today. So a reclaim back under 340, we are continuing that short. If you guys want to front run that CE, potential shorts right there. We are currently at the midline and previous week low. So many levels to trade off of. Just make sure your R to R makes sense at the end of the day. Royal, are you subbed for free? Amazon Prime on our Twitch or what? We are giving away free accounts every single day now. Oh, that's valid. That is okay. So what you're saying is there's at least one. You guys like what I did there? Yo, pulled pork is so funny. Pulled pork just DM'd me. And he's like, you guys are making motherfucking dreams come true before 11 a.m. Excuse my French, guys. And then he said, now teach me how to trade. Oh, man, you are funny. But if you guys want to join the wait list for the next mastermind, which is to be announced, we have absolutely no clue. I like to do them once a year. If we get enough traction, then maybe I can run 2. But if you guys just use !stock dads in chats, you guys will be able to pull up the link for the waitlist. And I think we are about to end. So I'm going to end it off there, guys. As you guys could see, called that out right off of that CE and previous week low. Just from that target alone, if we were to have taken it, we are currently sitting at 32 points with that low being 40. And from an R to R point of view, did it really make the most sense? If it were to crack and hold above, you're maybe looking at like 15, 20. You're still at a 2R, potentially 3. So still a sexy trade, especially since we are not seeing those 100-point ripsters right now. And there's 50 points off of that. But I digress. I love y'all. We are going to be streaming Monday through Thursday, every single Monday to Thursday, except for next week, where we're only going to be doing. Are we doing Friday? I think we are, right? We'll do Friday. We are going to do Friday, if Vin agrees. If not, I'll run it by myself, and that's fine. But Thursday, Friday, next week. Oh, wait, no, I can't do Friday.
All right,
Thursday next week. Thursday next week. All of the week after that, Monday through Thursday, we will be back live and kicking it with y'all. Make sure to hit that 50 subs while I'm gone, and you will get a nice shout out. And then you guys also get 3 times the entry if you guys are subbed for those giveaways as well. I love y'all. Thank you, Angel, for saying enjoy the vacation. I appreciate y'all. Peace. Ace of Trades out. We killed it. Later.